Kesari English News. A 48-hour bank strike has begun in the country. The strike was called by the banking unions as the central government was not ready to guarantee that the bank would not introduce a privatization bill. There will be a complete strike today and tomorrow, and agitations will take place. The public sector, the private sector and the Grameen bank sector will come to a complete standstill. The Union Cabinet has approved a proposal to raise the age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 years. The decision was taken on the basis of reports submitted by a Central Task Force set up to study the health and nutrition of women and children. On Independence Day 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that he was considering raising the age of marriage. Following the Cabinet's approval of a resolution raising the age of marriage, the government will amend the Child Marriage Prohibition Act 2006. Reports quoting close circles indicate that special marriage laws and personal laws such as Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 will be introduced. The High Court stayed the government's move to reduce the price of bottled water. The court stayed the order reducing the amount from ₹20 to ₹13. The order was issued after considering a petition filed by bottled water manufacturers. Bottled water was included in government list of essentials. The government intervened and reduced the price under the Essential Commodities Act. The petitioners contended that the packaged commodities came under the purview of the central government and the government had no power to intervene. The petitioners alleged that the government had reduced the prices without listening to them and considering the production norms. In March last year, the government fixed the price of bottled water at ₹13. All companies are required to print a maximum price of ₹13 per package. The order also said that legal action would be taken against companies that charge higher prices. Tributes were paid to the war veterans of the East Military Service Council, Thiruvananthapuram. As part of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the 1971 Indo-Pak War victory, the camp held at 8:30 a.m. at the War Memorial. Retired Major General Radhakrishnan, State Patrons Colonel R.G. Nair and Captain Navy Gopakumar jointly presented the wreath. District President R. Ajayan, Secretary Rajiv Unithan, Mahanagaram coordinators R. Srikumar, Anil Kumar, Sinu Kumar, District Committee members and many others were present on the occasion. A big salute from JK3 Group to the brave soldiers who have sacrificed their life for the motherland.
माता के बोलो भारत माता के बोलो भारत माता के वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
Devotees will have the opportunity to offer Pongala in the presence of Attikal Devi this time around. At the same time, it was decided later to allow children under the age of 12 to participate in Kuthiyotam. Attikal Pongala is on February 17. Attikal Pongala dedication was limited to Pandara last year due to the fears of COVID expansion. Decision was taken in meeting attended by district ministers. Officials were instructed to submit an amendment of the works by next Monday. He also directed to complete the maintenance and constructions work of the road. Sub-Collector M.S. Madhavikuti has been appointed as the nodal officer for the festival. Attikal Bhagavati Temple Trust President Anil Kumar, Secretary K. Shashupalan Nair and officials from various departments also attended the meeting. The strike by PG doctors in medical colleges of the state has been partially called off. They resumed duty in the emergency department. The doctors started working in the casualty from 8 a.m. The doctors said they are calling off their instant strike. Meantime, boycotting of OP and ward continues. Yesterday, the doctors held talks with Health Minister Veena Joshi. The protesters said the government's approach was positive. The Health Minister had informed the doctors that the existing senior doctors could be replaced with junior residents to reduce their workload. The minister also assured that the hike in stipend would be considered when the state's finances improve. Here winding up the news. To get the notification of JK3 News, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.